Oh. Well, there we go. There's one. Oh, my nose still itches. So, hi. My name's Steph, and I live in Australia, if you can't tell from the accent. And, like many people out in... Well, there's a few of us in the community, as you can probably guess, and I'm sure if you've found this, or if you're listening to it, that you know where I'm coming from. So, I've always been a fan of listening to a heap of people out there, and thought it was about time that I give something back. Yeah, so here we are. So what should I tell you about me? Well, I will be honest, unless I specifically say otherwise. If you're listening to this, it'll be me inducing, because despite the fact that I'm allergic to a heap of things, I don't actually tend to get fits that often. Like, the most I'll sneeze in a row is probably 4. I think I got 5 once. Sorry, I'm gonna blow my nose. Yeah, I usually sneeze in 2s. And, I mean, I sneeze a lot throughout the day. Like, I guess the way I know I'm getting a cold is because I won't sneeze at all on a day. Or, you know, I'll only sneeze 2 or 3 times. But, yeah, I'm photic. I'm allergic to cats. Most animals, actually. Dust, you know, the usual sort of stuff. Get hay fever, and in Australia, that's always a fun one, because we have crazy long hay fever seasons. Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, sneeze consistently throughout the day, but not more than 3 or 4 times in a row. Hence, I just needed a little bit of extra help. So I don't know. I don't know what else to say. I'm not really very good at these things. But if you want to know anything, just, you know, shoot me a message or leave a comment. Because I'd love to get to know some of you guys out there. Yeah, we have a community and we should stick to it. Yeah, so I don't know what else to do. If you have requests or anything, I'll try. Can't promise that I'll be able to upload stuff too often, purely because I work a lot. Like, normally over the summer break was working 7 days a week. Like, in 4 months, I had 4 days where I didn't have to go into work. And I'm about to start uni, so that's dying off a bit, but yeah, until then, yeah. So essentially, I'm just like everyone else out there and insanely busy. But yeah, feel free to shoot me requests, or, you know, comments, or just say hi, anything, because I'd love to get to know you. And just for fun, if I can get a good spot, I'll try and hold one back for you, because I suck to death at these, and I'm going to prove it to you. Ugh. So, okay, here we go. Let's see. It's not even going in the right way. Come on. I'm using a clothes tag just around the edges of my nose. Not sort of at the tip, a bit further in, because... Well, there you go. See how long I lasted? It was like a whole, what, 3 seconds? But yeah, lovely to meet you all, and I will talk to you later, I guess. Bye!